Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add error bars in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel, so in this video you will learn how to add that error bar. Okay, so here you will see this is group 1 data and this is group 2 data. Okay, first we will find out the average, okay, or the graph. Okay, so to find out the average, this is the formula. Okay, first select the this data and again you can copy this from the here to here. Okay, like this. Okay, then we will find out standard deviation. Okay, equals to STDEV. Okay, now choose the number. Okay, then bracket close. So you can also copy this to this. Okay, so here you will see I have an average and this is standard deviation. Now we will create a graph with the help of average. Okay, now select two cells of the average, then go to insert, choose this and 2D graph. Okay, now we will resize it so that it can fit. Okay, now what will we do, we will add error bars here. Okay, now select the chart, go to chart design and here you will see add chart option, click on it and now here you will see error bar option and click on standard error. Okay, now what you have to do, here you will see this is the bar. Now you can resize the bar and you can do many things. Now you have to click on this bar and here you will see you can choose the direction, both minus or plus, caps or no caps. Okay, you can choose all these things. Error amount. Okay, so for error amount you can choose many things, but we will choose only custom. Okay, then go to specify value, then here in positive what you have to do, click on this and now again you have to just choose both standard deviation cell. Okay, then again in negative error values we will choose this again, this both standard deviation value. Okay, then click on OK. So here it is, this is how you can use or add error bar in your Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.